Hey guys, it's Dave from Hat Foundry. I'm going to show you how to make an embroidery effect on any image in Photoshop. It's quick, it's easy, and it only takes a minute to do. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is download the embroidery pattern file. I've got listed in the Lonestar Adhesive official group. You can also download it from my Google Drive if you have the URL for it. The next thing you're going to do is open up your image in Photoshop, whatever one you want to add the embroidery effect to. And you're going to click on your layer while you hold in the control key. So you're going to control click, and what that does is select everything on your layer, and then you're going to select a new layer. You're going to move that down below, and you're going to hide your top layer. Next, you need to import your embroidery patterns. So if you don't have the patterns window, you just hit pattern or window and then patterns, and this is going to pop up. You click the three dots, you hit import patterns, and you go to the file that you downloaded. Then you're going to open that up, and then you're going to click on them. There's three of them in there, three different patterns. You can kind of see the effects they have. To give you a couple different embroidery effects to choose from. And then once you do that, you're going to turn your artwork back on, and then just change it to overlay. And this is a really large file, so it's kind of got the tint off. But if you zoom in, you can kind of see it's actually the effect of the thread makes it look like a bluish tint. So that's how you can turn any image into an embroidered effect. If you want to switch it out, you just click on your embroidery pattern layer, and then you can just change it, and you can kind of see how that changes the thread and the way everything looks. And now you have a realistic embroidery texture made inside of Photoshop. So you can do this to any image. You don't have to worry about using like AI or anything and it changing the patch or not being able to get a high enough resolution out of it. You can do this on any image you want. So I'm going to show you another image. This one's a little lower resolution, so it's going to have a better effect on it. Again, control, click on your layer to select everything. Hit new layer and drag it down below. Once you're on your new layer, you just select your pattern. And you can kind of see it's a way different effect because of the size of this image. It's a little more normal resolution than the other one. And you can see the embroidery effect it has on it. And then from there, you can UV print your patch or whatever you want to do. If you need UV printed patches, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to UV print anything you want. And that's how you do embroidery effects in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.